Hi, I'm Dr. Karen Sladyk, Health Science faculty at Westfield State University. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mask for your face when you're out in public that uses an old t-shirt. It's very simple and is very effective because it is a t-shirt that's been well washed and well worn. So it's going to go like this, and just put this out of the way for the moment. You need to start with a cotton t-shirt. Most cotton t-shirts have a little bit of spandex in it. That's perfectly fine. And the first thing you are going to do is cut off the hem to the t-shirt. Now I'm using a rotary cutter, but scissors will be perfectly fine. So I've cut the hem of the shirt off, and we're going to cut that in half. Just fold it and cut it in half, and put these two pieces off to the side. The next thing you are going to do is about 9 inches, it doesn't have to be exact, but about 9 inches, you are going to cut the t-shirt across. If the t-shirt's really big, you might be able to get 2 masks out of one shirt. So I've cut the top off, I'm gonna put that aside, and now I have a rectangle with the seams still on the side. The third step is to take a 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, fold it in half. This is going to make 5.5 by 8.5, and you're going to place it in the center of the rectangle that you've just cut. Again, I'm using the rotary cutter for speed, but you're going to cut out the sides, and scissors will do just fine. Put that aside. And you are keeping the part of the t-shirt that is covered with the paper. Okay. And so when I take the piece of paper off, you are looking at a very large letter H. When you pick up this t-shirt and put your fingers in the loop and stretch it, it will curl the edges so that it automatically makes seams. Now you can loosely tie a knot in each of these corners to keep the 2 main pieces that go over your mouth together. And after you've finished putting those knots in the corner, you can give it a little tug again to tighten it up. Now these 2 pieces that we saved from the hem, put the loop through and just extend the top. For some people, you don't need this extra piece, but for others you do. And there you go. You are ready to go out in public with a mask that took no sewing and was really quick to do. Do avoid t-shirts that have printing on them, but t-shirts that are dyed are perfectly fine, like this one. And that's it. So we hope you will consider Westfield State University, where you get to make fun stuff like this in class.